Welcome to Educare. In this video, we will look how to enable Google reCAPTCHA on Educare front-end search forms. Before starting, make sure that Educare Guidelines is enabled. You can find this option in Others panel. Otherwise, you won't see the Google reCAPTCHA admin link or any guidelines. Okay. First of all, enable Google reCAPTCHA and see what happens. As you can see, there is an error message. Because, currently we don't add Google reCAPTCHA site or secret key in Educare settings. Now, we will learn how to add Google reCAPTCHA site or secret key to your settings. Click the link to go to the Google reCAPTCHA website. Click on the V3 admin console at the top of the page. For mobile users, you can find it in the nav menu. If your account is not logged in, then log in with email and password. If you are logged in, you can skip this part. After that, you will see something like this. Click on the Creator plus icon at the top right corner. Enter a label to help you identify your site. This can be your website URL or a nickname. Click reCAPTCHA v2. Educare doesn't support reCAPTCHA v3. Click I'm not a robot checkbox. The other options aren't supported. Enter your built-in domain and click the plus icon. Use the format yoursite.com, excluding https:// from the beginning. Add another owner, if there are other people who will be reviewing your site's Google reCAPTCHA analytics. Accept the Google reCAPTCHA terms of service. Click Submit. Done. Our site or secret key is ready to use. Copy your site key. Back in Educare's security panel, paste your key into the site key fields. Once more, copy your secret key. Back in Educare's security panel, paste your key. Back to front end and refresh the page. Don't forget to click Save button. Now, if we reload your front-end page, we will see Google reCAPTCHA checkbox. Now we will see if it is working or not. For this, we try to see a results without CAPTCHA key. We can see that it works. Secret keys are sensitive. Keep these keys secure. Thanks for watching.